Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video I will show you how you can check your laptop's battery health in Windows. If you want to know the current battery health of your laptop's battery and the number of charge cycles it has, then follow along. On the search bar, type in CMD, right-click on Command Prompt Search Result and select Run as Administrator. Now click Yes. At the command prompt, type power cfg/battery report, then press Enter. The full battery report will be downloaded as a HTML file in System32 folder. Remember the file path and search for the downloaded battery report HTML file. Once you find the battery report file, open it. As this laptop is 7+ years old, the cycle count is not showing up. But you can see the battery health. The battery capacity has degraded by roughly 70% in 7 years. For a laptop this old, not too savvy. This is how you can check your laptop's battery health and find out if it is time for you to replace your old laptop battery. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.